Hello students, I will continue with the agriculture in India portion. In the last video I have discussed about the characteristics of agriculture in India. I'll continue with the characteristics portion in this video also. So the next third characteristics that is there, that is predominance of animal force. What is this? Indian agriculture is largely dependent on animate energy. Animate energy means depend on the animals, okay, for carrying out the works like plowing, then irrigation, then transportation, etc. Full mechanization or full mechanized thing is not available in India because India is still a developing nation, not a developed nation, and most of the people who carry out this agricultural activity belongs from the lower class in the society, specifically the poorer class of the society. So they don't have the enough money to buy or to do this agriculture fully in a mechanized manner. That is why the dependence on the animals are more, or the predominance of the animal force are more in the Indian agricultural sector. Next point is that dependence on monsoon. So the agriculture in India is very much dependent on this monsoon rain. This southwest monsoon provides 80% of the rainfall in India. So the Indian agriculture or the agriculture of India is very much dependent on the monsoon. As a result of that, it has a very much negative effect. What are the negative effect? The reason is that sometimes the pattern of the monsoons becomes very much irregular, and uncertain too. So as a result of that, the production of the crops hampers. Sometimes we have a very early monsoon, sometimes we have a very late monsoon. When the monsoon is very much late, then sometimes drought situation occurs. So during the time of the drought situation, the soil becomes totally dry, and it difficult to plow the soil and make the soil full with moisture laden and then do the agriculture. Next thing is, sometimes the amount of the monsoon rain is very much higher. As a result of that, floods also occurs. So the flood also destroys the crops. So in a way, the dependence of the monsoon has got both the negative and the positive sides. Next point is uses of irrigation. So in India, irrigation involves major and minor canals from the Indian rivers, then groundwater, well-based system, then tanks, tube wells, etc. for the agricultural purpose. So in some portion of why this uses of the irrigation is necessary, because in some portion, in part of the India, the amount of the rainfall is not high like the other parts of the India. So over there, the irrigation networks, means the network of the irrigations which are connected by this major and the minor canals from the rivers, groundwater, etc., provides the water that is required for doing the agriculture. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.